First, we set the mood. I mean, the oven. 180 degrees Celsius, because good things start with preheating. Then, butter those ramekins like your dessert life depends on it. Every corner. No dry spots. Time for eggs, 6 of them. Separate whites from yolks like a pro. Then whip those whites until they hold like a rock concert. You know it's ready when you can flip the bowl over your head and not panic. Now the yolks. Add sugar, water, and give it a spin. Light, fluffy, and ready for starch. In goes the cornstarch and flour, sifted, like all our emotions. Mix until it looks like sour cream. The thick, serious kind. Now gently fold in the whipped whites. Slowly, lovingly. This is not a race, it's a romance. The batter should be creamy and airy, like chocolate clouds. Pour into your buttery forms. They've been waiting. Pop them into the oven. 20 minutes of anticipation. And now, look at that rise. Fluffy, springy, smells like chocolate. And weekend dreams. Grab a spoon. Break the top. Soft, warm, and dangerously good. Yep. That's chocolate souffle. And you just made it.